Introducing the Brother SP-1 Sublimation Printer. Putting the power of connected optimization in your hands and transforming ordinary objects into personalized work of art. Design your masterpiece on your computer, anything from personalized photos and logos to intricate artwork. With a simple click, send your design wirelessly to the SP-1. Setting up our sublimation printer is a breeze. Get started right out of the box and start personalizing items just as you want them to. Perfect for crafters and entrepreneurs looking to grow their business. From personalized gifts to unique merchandise, the SP-1 empowers you to explore endless creative possibilities. Imagine transforming ordinary objects like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases into unique works of art with stunning, long-lasting color. That's the magic of sublimation, and the SP-1 makes it easier than ever. The combination of heat and pressure works its magic, infusing the inks directly into the fabric's fibers. A vibrant, permanent design that won't crack, peel, or fade. Bring your designs to life with stunning colors and sharp details. The Brother SP-1 delivers pro-quality results, all in a compact, space-saving design. Unleash your inner bold and get ready for more creative and colorful creations with Brother SP-1 Sublimation Printer.